Right. Yo, what is wrong with you? Kind of what you guys want us to do. Okay, which link did you want me to click on first? Right. Yeah. It's okay. Is this the resort on Miami Beach? Okay. Okay. Right. Yeah, that'll definitely work. We can definitely do that. Yeah. Okay, now is this on? Can you please go do this somewhere else? Go straight right here. No, I'm here. Yeah, I'm here. No, I'm sorry. My wife was just asking me a question. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, no, that sounds good. That's perfect. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna
I'm freaking dead, guys. Oh my god. He just literally got up and went to the bathroom really quick before he gets done and before he gets out of the bathroom and yells at me. He's literally in a meeting with his sponsor right now. We're gonna be vlogging the rest of the day, but I wanted to come and tell you guys. As you guys can basically already tell, every single time Ryan gets on the phone today, I'm gonna be making dirty noises. I've distracted him while on the phone before, but I haven't actually taken it to this awkward of a level. And this is honestly gonna be hilarious. So guys, make sure you guys get this to 15,000 likes because Ryan's gonna absolutely kill me. I think it's the colors.
too. It's also my hair. My hair looks a lot better today. My hair's finally grown back out.
No, you just look good every day.
Not before like the past week. My hair hasn't been out. My hair's finally grown back. And I got it cut. What's going on, Murphy?
Welcome to the channel, guys.
If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, turn on your post notifications, and join the family. Oh, Miss Day 7. Day 7, y'all. We staying strong.
Yeah, it's been one full week.
1 week.
1 week.
I mean, ain't nothing we not used to, you know.
But if you guys wanna keep up on all things holiday, December, Merkmas, everything, new pics, new daily updates, just follow our Instagram because we do new giveaways every single Monday and announce the winners every Friday.
At the end of this video, we're gonna be announcing our new giveaway. I'm just saying, y'all gonna wanna stay tuned for this one. Your fine ass, looking all sexy. What's your number, girl? Why are you recording? We didn't show them this last time. Hey, Murphy, how y'all doing tonight? Well, take your seat over here.
Yeah,
take your seat over here.
I'll be.
Girl, what's your name in the green right here, neon? What's your name?
Montana.
Fontana, huh? I know where you got that name from. Fauna.
Oh my god.
I just want you for my own.
Me?
More than you could
Ever know?
make my wish come true.
Oh my god, that's
And
me.
baby, all I want for Christmas
It's me.
Ooh, baby.
That was beautiful.
Thank you for being so honest.
I loved it. I've always wanted you to sing to me.
Oh, I don't know. And guys, this right here is why we Uber Eats.
The line is literally all the way over there. You can't see, but
It's a bad habit that we have though, that we just resort to Uber Eats. Like we can order it, it can be delivered, so let's just do that. But we try not to because we want to just like get out more.
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. What is that?
What?
Cuckoo! Cuckoo!
Oh.
Is that a chicken? What is that, y'all? What is that? Is that a chicken? For real? Is that a chicken?
We got Pollo Tropical.
Pollo Tropical.
And Ryan's like, so we've never had one like anywhere where we've lived, and now that we're in Miami, like they're everywhere.
Yeah.
So Ryan's like in love with this place.
They got the apple empanadas. Who don't like apple empanada? Come on. We just got some wraps. You know, the chicken wraps, because we trying to eat a little healthy, even though we eat now.
We need to go grocery shopping.
That's our problem. That's our problem.
Ryan gets lazy once it comes to grocery shopping. He'll complain, oh, we spend too much on eating out. But I could literally cook if we just go to the grocery store. He's like, no, it takes too long. These are the apple empanadas that he was talking about.
Oh my God, they go in.
He loves them.
Did she give you 2 orders of those? Is there another order in there?
No.
No?
Wait. Oh yeah.
Hey, we get 2 each.
Oh, oh, I was just hoping to have 1. Now I have to have 2. Freak.
I can have 3.
Yeah, you can.
Oh. Hello? Yo. What are you doing? You at home?
Yeah.
Where the dogs at? You eating those without me? Did you you talk to Z? What are you doing?
What?
Hold on, bro. Hold on. What are you doing?
What are you talking about?
Why are you making those noises?
Really good.
I understand they're good, but why are you doing that?
I'm just eating it. You're not.
Montana being weird. Yeah. You're not gonna live more than me. Nah. Nah, you crazy as hell. What'd you hit? No, you didn't. Can you be any louder?
Sorry.
Oh, wait, bro. That's what I hit.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
What are you doing?
Have one.
Make me drop my phone.
Sorry. Don't spill it.
I just dropped my food. Montana made me drop my food.
What did I do? I didn't do anything.
Damn, I got it over the seat too, Montana. Right? She making these weird ass noises.
What are you talking about? You're good.
Let me try. Whoa.
Oh my God.
I was lifting 315 3 times on bench. Yeah. Oh shit.
That's big.
Okay, wait. You just made me drop mine. I want to see what's all this going on over here, all this flavor. You going,
You're just biting.
Yeah, bro, let me go. I'll call you back in a minute. Montana's being weird. Alright.
I don't know.
Bye. What are you
It's
doing?
good. This is what you had last time?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know it's good. Why you being extra? Made me drop the chicken. Damn, all over my seat. They got napkins in there?
Oh my goodness.
Oh. Now that right there, the promises is hell. Oh my
Honestly,
God.
wait, did I have one last time?
I think I ate them all. You already know that scrumptious right there. Y'all, if you don't know, hold on. If you don't know what an apple empanada is, right there. Look at all that scrumptious. Oh, that's a nice picture right there.
Alright guys, so Ryan's on the phone in the other room right now. So we're about to go to the gym, so I have to make the pre-workouts, but I want to set up the camera because he's on the phone. So I'm just about to go all out on this one. So Ryan,
Yeah.
come take your pre-workout.
Yeah, we can get it. Huh? We can get it ordered. Which one mine? This one. We can get it ordered and then everything get running for you.
Oh, I'm so ready for the gym.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we'll put that every time.
Right.
Oh, Ryan, oh my god, this is so like. Because my throat is so hard.
Yeah, no.
So freaking
Well,
hard.
we can get like 5 times what we got last year. maybe like 5,000. Are you good? Nah, I'm talking about 10.
Yeah, this is just hit. But you know how sometimes it just hits your throat harder? Like.
Mm-hmm. Don't hit you like that though.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, 5,000 will work, and then we can get it. Yo, what are you doing?
What?
You heard that too, right?
What?
What are you doing?
Ryan, stop playing.
You're being weird as hell.
What? It's just it.
Montana acting a little sus right now. Is she up to something?
I'm literally just doing my pre-workout. Trying to get in the mood. For the gym.
Sound like you wanna move. Yo, what is wrong with you? You heard that too, right? Yo, what are you doing, man? Nah, I'll call you back. Let me call you back. No, let me call you back. What is wrong with you?
What do you mean?
Yo, for real, what are you doing? What are you doing, for real? Really?
No, really? You know how you stay on the phone like 10 million times a day?
Doing that again?
Yeah, but I was trying to make it a little awkward for you. I was trying to make some noises.
It wasn't awkward for me. It was awkward for the person who I was on the phone with every single time.
Yeah, you're right. That shit was so funny. It was so hard not to laugh.
They thought you were like
you know,
doing something.
that's okay. This last time I did it, I was like, there's no way I'm gonna be able to carry it on for any longer. And so I was just like, I just went all out and I was just like, I'm about to get all up in his face.
Lucky I played
so
it off
funny.
too earlier.
I was like, let me stretch. Ooh, okay, I see you with your new set that I bought you.
Guys, but before we go to the gym and we close this out, we have to give what our giveaway is gonna be. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are y'all ready though?
I know. So this week's giveaway is we will be picking 3 winners and we will be cash apping you $100 each.
Ooh, y'all gonna be able to go buy yourself some shoes, some clothes,
Or
3
if you want to buy
different
something
winners.
for somebody else.
Or if you want to give.
So like we always say, if you want to be a part of this giveaway, make sure you're following our Instagrams and being active on there, and that's how we would choose our winner this Friday.
And y'all, my baby almost had 100,000 followers on IG. Go get her there. Go follow our Instagrams right here, and you'll be a part of our giveaway too. We're picking 3 winners.
3 winners to get $100.
But we're about to go catch a crazy workout, so we're gonna go ahead and close out today's video right here.
I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Yeah, enjoy me being awkward.
But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for videos all throughout Merc.
We'll catch you guys tomorrow. Merc out. Peace.